getting all confused because you kind of say crores and crores and crores and crores. Please justify, because last year the AO had said 93 crores and they collected only some 68 crores. I don't know where we are going to. I'm giving you the same. You can study the better. Are what you said just now, crores and crores of rupees, everything. I am telling you here there is a jump of 43%. Can you explain to me how the 43% will come?
The revenue which was shown there is the
See, here also and commission also, they might be admin people, they might not be in account. Even I don't understand much there. But to friends I study and come.
this is only a
What do I know? This is nothing but, I tell him CCP is copy, cut, paste budget. I am telling this on the floor of the house. Copy, cut, paste budget is known as CCP. I don't want to argue anything more because I've been to Commissioner. Still you can, and I want to tell you one thing. Budget is never leaked first to the corporators. See that? Budget is presented on the day of the budget. In the Assembly and the Parliament, do they send to the MPs first? They present it first, the Finance Minister, then next time they come for discussion. Here we are leaking, sending to all the councillors. If somebody goes and gives to the press and this thing comes, what happens? At least in future, my term I told him not to do it. Yes. But you must go by as far as no, what else? You all are used. You all are only copy, cut, paste. I don't want to say anything because
special meeting budget attend my discussion on my
this budget I have shown, if they can reply to me about this thing, I will touch your feet.
just want to point out to tax here that you have referred to the actuals of last year to the budgeted figures of this year. So that is the variance.
Yeah, no, and you have shown actual and you collected less. That's why you are showing a surplus of 53 crores, 53 lakhs. ATO had shown 98 crores, collection is some 68 crores.
The budget estimated by 25, we are actually collecting for 24-25 is lesser than the budget estimate. The budget estimate for 25-26 has been prepared based on the budget estimate for 24-25.
I don't know. I'm getting zones now. Nobody is talking. Now salary 58.29. See the variant there. Page 55, which is 0.60, 0.53. How this jump in the thing?